You wanna ask about the pandemic in Thailand?
In Thailand.
For right now, the situation is, the death rate is the infected rate is about 6,000 to 7,000 per day, and the death rate is still not reached 100 per day, but the number is nearly at that rate right now. And because we have like there are species of viruses like the alpha, the beta, and the delta, which right now we are our government already accepted for the vaccine Moderna to be imported to Thailand and sales in Thailand, as Moderna can protect us from the Delta coronavirus. So I think after Moderna arrive on about October, the situation may getting better.
Okay. Oh, thanks for information. My everything always be in the guard protection and we strong, healthy, and happy. Okay, next materi yang akan kita bahas in here material for me is for all about Kagaluhan. Saya akan share dulu ya. Okay, especially enjoy art, tradition, and rituals. Three component seni, tradisi, dan ritual itu seperti sama gitu. Tetapi seni, tradisi, dan ritual itu berbeda ya. Seni different, art different, tradition different, and ritual different. And then have art, tradition, and ritual ya menjadi satu, one in three ya. Tradition, art, and ritual in Kagaluhan ya. Oke. Nah, culture ya or tradition is adalah satu cara hidup yang berkembang dari dan dimiliki bersama oleh sebuah kelompok orang yang diwariskan ke generasi-generasi. Like Vivian have a mother and father, have grandpa and grandma, have a culture, continuous generation to generation ya. Seperti punya budaya tersendiri dalam satu keluarga, in family have a different specially culture and universal culture in territorial ya. This is budaya or culture. Nah, jadi setiap daerah ya territorial have a specific or special culture budaya. Like this Thailand in Indonesia, Thailand different and Indonesian different, Myanmar different, Vietnam different. And then diantaranya ya between adalah dance. Kemudian next art ya. Seni adalah skill atau keahlian membuat karya bermutu dilihat dari segi kehalusannya, ya. In terms subtlety, beauty, function, meaning of form, ya. Seperti tari, lukisan, ukiran, seni pahat, puppet, and dance, ya, meliputi banyak kegiatan menggunakan imagination, inspiration, or dan kepentingan untuk pembuatan dan untuk dihargai keindahannya. Ya. This is especially art, seni, ya, tentang sesuatu, tentang keindahan, or object have a beautifully and good looking. Yeah, this is art. Yeah. Then ritual, ya, ritual adalah serangkaian kegiatan yang dilaksanakan terutama untuk tujuan simbolis. Ritual are series of activities carried out primarily for symbolic process, ya. Dan ritual dilaksanakan oleh satu agama ataupun budaya tertentu. Ritual carried out based religion and especially culture, or it can be based on tradition of a particular community, ya. Atau kegiatan-kegiatan dalam ritual ini biasanya sesudah diatur dan ditentukan dan tidak dapat dilaksanakan sembarangan. Ritual is special, ya. 3 unsur tadi, art, culture or tradition, ya, dan ritual is one-on-one different. Ada juga yang memang 3 in 1, ya. Satu ritual and culture or tradition and art, satu kesatuan, 3 in 1, and have a different, ya. Ritual, tradition, or art, ya. Okay. For example, is dance, ya. Many variant dance in country, in region, ya. Like this is there are 2 types, ya. These characters which are one unit and spread, ya. Ada 2 jenis karakteristik, yaitu satu kesatuan dan terpisah. Seni, art, ritual, tradition, and seni, ritual, and tradition. 2 character, ya, 2 character. 2 character. Okay, nah, for example, this in here is dance. Dance have 2 character. Character 2 in 1. This is art, ritual, and tradition packaging in dance. And then art different, ritual different, and tradition. Yeah, you know?
Yeah, I understand.
You understand? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next. Nah, seni or the one character, for example, dance, ritual, and tradition, 3 in 1 in dance, yeah, in dance, like topeng Cirebon or Cirebon mask dance, is then that different and evil character. This then held when it time of harvest in the sea, ya. Jadi pelaksanaan ini dilaksanakan ketika, atau tarian ini ketika akan panen di laut, ya. For fishing, for like in Thailand. Nah, for example, dance drama Khon. You know Khon?
Yes. Khon is in Thailand is an upper class arts and performance. Yes.
Yeah. Khon performing in stories, ya, membicarakan, menerangkan tentang ramakaian, tosakan, like Hinduist style or Ayodhya era for performing. Yeah, this is have a art, ritual, and tradition. 3 in 1. Dance have a material, art have a ritual, have a tradition in one. Packaging in dance. Ya, oke, next. Nah, oke. Tradition like this, for example, Jaipong dance, yeah, is a traditional social dance of Sundanese people, siapa? Like K-pop, like break dance, yeah. Once upon a time, young men and ladies or gentlemen, yeah, for social dance, yeah, this is Jaipong, ya. Seperti anak muda sekarang, apa ya namanya, tahu tentang K-pop, ya, dance K-pop, and break dance and modern dance. Nah, once upon a time, Jaipongan dipakai sebagai social dance, traditional social dance. Shape, karakteristik, energik, sporty, because have a material mix like mixed martial art in dance and dance, ya, and dance. Sorry, martial art and dance, silat and dance mix. Menjadi Jaipongan. Nah, like children, like kids and young men, ya, mereka menari sebagai menari pergaulan pada zaman dahulu. Dan sekarang dikemas lagi packagingnya dengan modernisasi, ya, yaitu modern dance Jaipong, mix modern dance and traditional dance. This is the Jaipong. Okay. And next, nah, this is especially spiritual, like Barong dance in Bali and Bedoyo dance in Yogyakarta or Cirebon, yeah, and especially in Ciamis, Galuh, have a Ronggeng Gunung dance. This is dance is played for guests welcome the king, yeah, and evil spirit extractor, ya, mengusir aura-aura jahat. This is especially for spiritual, ya. And then bring magic energy and also other chakral days, ya. Okay, Vivian, you know, in Thailand, like this dance, spiritual dance, ada apa saja di sana?
Actually, ritual dance. As I'm a Catholic, we don't really have ritual dance, but as far as I know, most of the ritual dance will be connected with Hinduism and Brahmin. Yes, and for Buddhism ritual dance.
Yeah.
I don't think Buddhism also have their ritual dance. It's all influenced from Hinduism mostly. Yes, and if there is a ritual dance, for Islamic culture, it will be in the southern part of Thailand,
Yeah.
which I have never been there before. So I cannot say for sure that what type of dance that they are performing there as a ritual. But I understand that in Thailand, like during the king's birthday or the queen's birthday, we also have a ritual of lighting the candle and performing some cone or upper class performance,
Yeah.
but it's not directly ritual. It just to bless the king and queen and the royal family to be healthy and prosperous, and for the no, for Buddha to bless them, something like that.
Okay. Yeah. Many history like perform in dance in Thailand. Yeah. Like for upper class, like spiritual or Buddhist or Hinduist, and then
Yes.
different apa secret secret dance or for many example in Thailand. Like in Indonesia, have a ronggeng gunung. Ronggeng is a dance, especially ronggeng. Many traditional. Gunung is mountain. Yeah, this is especially then from mountain. Yeah, because many people from mountain have a skill, have a skill dance nari tersebut dan mempunyai history, ya mempunyai many history like one dancer, she is once upon time from have a story, she is a queen, and protection like
Excuse
this,
me.
yeah.
Hello, daddy. เรียนแม่อยู่ธนาคารค่ะ sorry, that was my dad.
Okay. Okay, say hi, my dad.
If you ask me in Thailand, I have to say we have lots so many type of dance, but maybe not much about specifically about ritual, but we have so many traditional dance. It will be more of the traditional.
Traditional, yeah. And then next, I can ronggeng gunung, ya, ronggeng gunung. Ronggeng gunung in Ciamis or Galuh territory, especially one time have one queen. She is have a skill dance and have mission, specially mission, ya. Nah, packaging mission dikemas ya dalam satu buah tarian, ya. Jadi like this, satu orang ratu ataupun anak raja, prince, ya, mempunyai have a special mission. This is mission intelligence. Ya, once upon time. Nah, dia ahli menari, ya. Dia have a soft skill dancing, ya. Dan selalu dikelilingi oleh soldier atau para pengaman kerajaan. Like this, have a wardrobe black and then back up. Nah, like this. And ini para soldier girl, ya, and soldier man, soldier boy. Sorry. And this is queen, ya, atau ratu pada zaman dahulu, once upon a time. Jadi mereka menari circle, ya, menari for protect si is queen, ya, untuk melindungi ratu itu dari serangan-serangan bajak laut. Bajak laut, you know, like Jack Sparrow or because dari gunung, ya, from mountain turun ke pantai, beach, ya, turun ke pantai untuk menjaga for protection teritorial. Ya, dikemasnya, packagingnya dengan dance atau melalui ronggeng gunung. This is for example historiography ronggeng gunung. Ya, and then bedoyo like con for upper class, ya, upper class. Seperti guest welcome to the king or tamu-tamu kerajaan ketika meeting or for example for especially upper class in Galuh Kingdom. This is bedoyo. And then for spiritual, like for protection from magic energy or evil spirit extractor, this is a barong dance, like Garuda dance, or like this. Nah, like tosakan, ya, tosakan bad character and Rama good character, ya. Ya, this is barong dance like rangda, tosakan, ya, like tosakan in Thailand, bad character, and barong is for protection people or family, king family, dan orang-orang lainnya untuk menjaga, protect dari kejahatan devil, ya, ataupun negative energy. Nah, this is especially for spiritual. Barong then from Bali. Bali is have a character Hindu style or Hindu spirit. And Jogja, Cirebon have a color, ya, Hindu spirit. Walaupun majority Muslim in West Java. Okay. Nah, and then, this is a tradition. All people, ya, bisa melakukan ini, termasuk di kampung-kampung adat. This dance is usually performed by indigenous communities when having children flying, contain philosophies and education elements. Yeah, like this. This is pure kid playground, ya, play. Seperti naik terang bulan, terang bulan, ya, children main di tengah malam, sering menggunakan tradisi-tradisi menari ini for socialization or for pure game, ya, game played. And then tutunggulan dance and rangpong dance. Look this is a rice and then make rice, ya. traditional make rice, no book ya, tradisional. Jadi mereka happy ya dengan hasil panen harvesting yang memang good and mempunyai hasil panen yang banyak, many harvesting when harvesting communities ya. Jadi itu tunggulan. Ini untuk menyambut hari raya, like especially day water day in Thailand. What's name?
Songkran.
Nah, like this, Sampran.
Yeah, in Thailand, because we are also the country that is growing crops and selling rice. So we also have a tradition dance after harvesting, because it's like they are celebrating that they already finished the harvesting phase, the harvesting seasons. And we also have like Bangkakan is very similar to game, traditional game in Thailand. And also like for the traditional dance, like before, in the past, women and men, when they want to how to say, start their relationship and get to know each other, they will sing a song, like not really a song, but it's like a poem, and they will be like a guy will say one thing and the girl will reply and something like that, and it's a connection, and it become poetry, and in a poetic way, in order, because they are not during, they will have a chance to meet only during festivals or seasons, like before, guys and girls used to see each other at the temple, and they will build a sand castle, not really a castle, but they will build a sand shape of something together, and that's how they develop their relationship.
Okay. Usually there are any special day which often use dance. Usually there are any holiday, yeah, or special day, yeah, which often use dance.
Use the dance?
Yeah.
Specifically use the dance for tradition, right? There'll be, if for only traditional dance, mostly will be the day after harvesting, and also the celebrating of special Buddhist holiday. They will do the dance in order to not really in order to any, not relating to anything ritual, but they just dance in order to celebrate that, like in Vesak Busha Day, they will do the dance in order to celebrate that the Buddha is born. Or in Khao Phansa, it's also a Buddhist holiday. They will also do some dance, and like people, all the people from the whole village will come and meet up together and do the dance, as for more of like for pleasure rather than ritual.
Okay, this there specialist dance, yeah, for children and adult. Yeah. Is there a special dance for children and adult?
For children, there will be mostly a song that they use to play with games, and that game is also like a kind of dance, like really khao san, something like that. They they will sing a song. They will form a circle and then start singing a song, and one person will be running around and place stuff behind behind another person. And also the how to say, if the dance that all connected to three of these things, like the dance that is also arts of Thailand, performing as ritual and also as a tradition, it's I can only think of Khon for now, as you have mentioned here in the picture, because um we get lots of influence from many countries, like Chinese opera, also another dance that Thai people enjoy, especially the Thai Chinese elders. They will really enjoy that a lot. But if for Thai people, it will be Khon. And another thing is like a puppet puppet shadow show.
Puppet shadow show.
Yes.
Like a puppet, skin puppet in
Yes,
Indonesia.
yes. Before they used to use animal skin, but right now,
Yeah.
because of the development of the world and everything, they try to use other things instead, in order, because like, or else European and American and everyone always like blaming the tradition of the Southeast Asian people of using animal skin in doing something like that. So in order to avoid them to say something bad about our tradition, our ritual things, and our arts, we use some other stuff instead. But actually, I have to say, I used to see one puppet show, and by using animal skin, the texture of the puppet is completely different from the manufacturing one.
Okay. Shadow puppet, material in from animal skin, like wayang kulit in Indonesia. Ya, wayang kulit is skin, ya. Puppet wayang kulit, ya, puppet skin. Have a shadow, playing shadow, ya. Oh, jadi and then in Thailand have art or dance different, especially and acculturation tradition like Chinese opera and European opera and Arabic opera mungkin, ya. Because Thailand have beach and mountain, ya, dataran tinggi dan dataran rendah, and especially in beach area and especially Thailand in mountain area, ya. Jadi mempunyai karakter yang berbeda. Oke, next. Nah, this is sampai sekarang ini now tarian-tarian ini in Indonesia masih tetap dilestarikan, ya, masih tetap ada. Have a big carnival, have a big tradition. Tetapi ya, this is a situation, urgent situation now. Have a pandemi, jadi kita tidak bisa menampilkan pagelaran secara meriah, big perform art, big perform art not for in now sekarang, karena ya pandemi. And pandemi ini lumayan membatasi ruang gerak kita. Small activity because pandemi. Gitu. Terus nah, jadi back of two character ya. Dance have a functional art, ritual, and tradition. And dance have a art specially, ritual specially, and traditional specially. Yeah, have a two character for dance in Indonesia, and like this, like in Thailand, have many character, two fungsional ya. Oke. Nah, the color ya, warna dari dance tersebut dipengaruhi oleh territorial, like this. The people in mountain have a specially dance, ya, like ronggeng gunung, dan sebagainya. And especially character, like this wardrobe have a like a color, like black, green, and then brown. And especially wardrobe or all about enrichment for a perform have especially. Ya. Beda lagi orang pantai dance in beach people. Nah, have a characteristic for wardrobe. Nah, seperti tadi bernuansakan have a character ocean or fish or all about tentang sea ya, tentang laut. Ya biasanya diimprovisasi dalam one packaging in dance. Ya. Like animal in beach and animal in jungle or mountain. This implementation in dance specially character. And functional, have especially functional. From mountain people have a spiritual or ritual dance, traditional dance or tradition dance, like harvest, and pure for art, or for social and for game children dance. In mountain have especially, in beach people and especially. Nah, itu mempunyai ciri-ciri khusus kedaerahan. Belum lagi budaya luar yang masuk, like acculturation from Eropa, from like and now is update K-pop, K-dance, and then many culture from dari negara-negara lain, dari negara luar masuk ke daerah-daerah tersebut. Ya, seperti halnya tidak beda jauh di Thailand, and Indonesia. Have a mixed culture, and ada juga yang melestarikan spesial ataupun budaya yang masih ada. Oke. Nah, this is mengapa alasan kita memperkenalkan mata kuliah atau studying Kagaluhan ini, especially for education. For we have education for tradition, religion, and then especially jati diri bangsa gitu, atau dikatakan for nation style. For nation style.
Honestly, for myself, I really prefer like the traditional dance of Asian. I mean, every nation of Asians rather than the classical of the European, like ballet or like soap opera, something like that. I'm quite, if in Thailand we'll use the word what is it, like it's in Thai, but I cannot think of the word. I'm now in my head it's like 4 languages, it's like running around. But because I prefer the arts of Asian, because I think we have history about it, and that history is what makes those arts, dance, and other traditional things more sacred, more unique, and also more beautiful. Like they have the meaning in itself. Like every specific kind of dance, they will have specific meaning in order for them to do the dance, and it is not easy for them to do it. Like they need to be well trained. Even like in Thailand for Ram Thai, they need to train since they were very young, because like their hands needs to be like very they can even like bend their hands like a lot. Yeah. And it's also every specific color that they use in that type of arts have always has a meaning. Like if you play the role of a king, you need to use only this specific color. If you play the role of like in Ramakien or Ramayana, there will be the bad guy and the good guy. And if you are in the bad guy side, you have this specific color to wear. So I think it's very meaningful that everything's every arts, every dance, and every types of arts actually, including painting, crafting, it's all meaningful. In Thailand, we also have like crafting, which is we use wood, and even at my house, my dining table is also a crafting wood table, which is although it's a bit expensive, but I think it it's unique, and it's also if even my door at my house is also a crafting wood door. Maybe because my family love things like that, so it's like sending from generation to generation. So I also prefer things like that. I think it's because right now in Thailand, the trend is modern. Modern means things will be more of a black, white, and gray color. and they'll also be minimal, which means everything will come in not a very large size, and also it will make a room, a space of the room more clear. But for me, I prefer the combination of both. Like we can also put our traditional things in a minimal way also. So just like you mentioned, in Indonesia, I have seen lots of pictures of the dance and arts, which I hope one day I can come and uh, see the performance by myself, because I really appreciate it and I really like it. Um, when I was in high school, we have uh ASEAN Day, and we will be separated into 10 countries of ASEAN, and then everyone needs to perform the arts, the dance, or anything that shows the significant things about that country. So I think it's very interesting. And also for Asian arts, I think it is very, how to say, it's all in handmade. They do it handmade, and just like the dress I saw in Indonesian, I can, just by looking at the picture, I can know it is like handmade, and the dress is like amazing. if if I can really see it in real life, I will be really amazed, because it is so beautiful.
Ya, semoga keadaan di sini di kita di Thailand, Indonesia dapat stabil before pandemi ya. Jadi
Yeah.
jadi you can see life in Indonesia, life in performing or like handmade in all about art in Indonesia, especially in
Yeah,
Java.
I really hope this pandemic will end very soon, or maybe after the vaccine comes, and then the airline starts to work again, and that's the time that I can travel again, and I will be really glad to go to Indonesia as the very first place, as my friends also introduced me to so many interesting places. And right now you are introducing me to very interesting historical sites. Since the very first class, we studied Kagaluhan, and also not only historical site, but also I have to say I'm a fan of history. If I do not study liberal arts, I will study archaeology.
Wish.
Love history. I really love that have a story. Like, because the history and the story is what it tells that how we come it tells that how we come from, so we can know the roots of ourselves, and we should respect that. We should how to say, not like some I have to say, I have some Chinese born American friends, and they don't really appreciate their Chinese culture much. But I have to say, so I have to tell him that you cannot escape it. It is your root. Anyway, although you was born in America, anyway, your parents were from China. So your root is, you cannot escape your root. So I really like history, so I can learn where I came from, and when we learn that where we came from, we can develop things in the future, and also keep it so that the people in the next generation will have a chance to witness this beautiful historical things about their country. Because country without history, I think it is very sad for them. Like America, they don't have a long history, and most of their history is a sad story. But we Asian people are luckier. We are more lucky to have a history to be told. We have the history for us to learn and learn the good things, and we will not repeat the bad things. That's what my opinion is about.
Ya. Nah, oke. Recommend for next destination to Vivian. Next trip you can see live in Indonesia. Okay, I have playing videos for one perform like big puppet, have a dance and many arts ininya because his name namanya Wayang Landung itu wait, I can share it.
I hear some
Yeah.
sound, but I cannot see the picture yet.
Yes, waiting. You can see?
Yes.
Okay, this is a small perform with Wayang Landung Panjalu and Bebegig Sukamantri and Pontrangan and have a dance many girl ya. Ini mereka menari dengan bernuansa alam like leaf or coconut skin, and then have palm skin material for wardrobe, like big puppet and bebegig. Bebegig is like devil, you know. You can see like a devil, big devil.
Yeah, yeah.
Nah, itu. It's special from Ciamis or like in territorial Galuh University. Nah, and next, recommend for you for trip, yeah, for trip or holiday. Next, after pandemic. Okay, this is materi from Kagaluhan, especially art, ritual, and tradition. Yeah, one character and especially character. 3-in-1 packaging in dance and different dance or art, different ritual and different tradition. Ya, oke.
Okay.
Mungkin materi yang saya sampaikan bisa cukup segini dan semoga I hope the knowledge is useful, ya. Useful. I hope the knowledge is useful and I was healthy and happy. We fight pandemic and how and time is over. I'm sorry for troubling and ini
No,
semuanya.
it's okay. It's really nothing
Ya.
because it's understandable that the internet connection is very unstable and really unpredictable. So it's okay.
Okay. And
So
then time is over. Ya. And say hi for family, for friend in Thailand from Ciamis. Next time
shoot.
after pandemic, you can recommend list for visit in Ciamis.
I'm really planning to. I already start collecting money right now. So that because I also study another 2 subjects. And I also want to meet my professor who teach my lecturer who teach me. So I'm planning to visit the university once the pandemic ends. So just I think this will be our last class, right? Because next week will also be my last class of BIPA class.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think you followed me in Instagram, right?
Okay.
So just keep in touch if there's anything we can exchange about culture and beliefs and things. And also if I have a chance to be there, I may need your help, all my friends' help.
Yeah.
Because although I study BIPA, my Indonesian is not that good. I can right
Yeah.
now say the word yes, no, thank you, sorry.
Okay. And then I'm finished follow you, Vivian. Vivian
Yeah.
Chen. Vivian Chen, ya, for Instagram. And then this username Instagram we have I have @Purwadipraja. @Purwadipraja. This is me. @Purwadipraja.
Wait, let me see. Nah. Oh yeah.
I am chat Yuk.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay. This is for sharing information and for sharing
Yeah, our
education,
culture
art.
and belief, and
Yeah.
also maybe I'll if I really have a chance, I may ask for tourist attraction places and things like that.
Okay. Okay.
And yeah, hope we can have a chance to meet face to face one day. I'm very thankful for the 3 classes that we have together.
Okay. Okay. Say hi. Say hi for Vivian, family, and all friend in Thailand.
Okay, bye
Okay.
bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Mas,
sampai bulan
Desember
Desember
udahan.
gitu ya. Nah, lu kan punya